morning all. Today's topic is of lesson 6, that is molecular basis of inheritance. In this topic we will study the different steps like DNA, structure of DNA, replication, transcription, translation, genetic code, and uh, Lacopron and Human Genome Project. So first of all, what are nucleic acid? The nucleic acid are the genetic material present in the living system. They are of two types. One is DNA, which stands for deoxyribose nucleus, and another is RNA, which stands for ribose nucleic acid. Now, the structure of DNA. Watson and Crick proposed a double helical structure of DNA. Now, nucleotide is the basic unit of DNA. It consists of sugar, phosphate, and nitrogenous base. So, this is a polynucleotide chain which consists of phosphate, sugar, and nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous bases are of four types. One is adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Then another is phosphate and sugar. So sugar and phosphate form the backbone of the nucleic acid DNA, and these nitrogen bases they project inside. Now the salient features of DNA. DNA, it consists of two polynucleotide chain. Then the two chains are in anti-parallel polarity. Then the bases in two strands are paired through hydrogen bond. Adenine pairs with thymine by means of double bond, and cytosine pairs with guanine by means of triple bond. The two chains are coiled in a right-handed fashion. The pitch of the helix is 3.4 nanometer, and there are 10 base pairs in one turn. So, next is central dogma. Central dogma is the unidirectional flow of information from DNA to RNA and from RNA to proteins. Like this represents central dogma. Here, DNA is the master molecule. In this DNA, three different types of RNA are formed: mRNA, messenger RNA, rRNA, ribosomal RNA, tRNA, transfer RNA. And from RNA, proteins, different types of proteins are formed. So in this, two processes are involved. One is transcription, which means the synthesis of different types of RNA, and another means translation, formation of different types of proteins. So transcription and translation are the two processes involved in central dogma. Transcription takes place in cytoplasm and translation takes place in proteins. So for packing of DNA, some proteins are required which are called histones. Histones are the proteins associated with packing of DNA. Since DNA is a large master molecule of 2.2 meters, so it needs proteins for the packing. And when proteins are packed with DNA, then the term is changed. It is called nucleosome. And thus today we have studied the structure of DNA, central dogma, and the next will study the genetic material, its search, whether it is DNA or RNA. Thank you.